Hello friends, I just wanted to give an update on the quilting project which I had mentioned as the long painting project. This quilt I want to finish it for my daughter for her birthday, which is it's coming in few weeks. So I want to finish this for her birthday. So what I have done is I have taken all the squares in one row, horizontal row, and I've stitched them like this. So all these 8 rows are being stitched like this in the horizontal way. You can see here. So now next I need to attach each of them to each other and make the quilt top. That's what we call the top of the quilt is called quilt top. I need to make that. Also, I've done some kind of embroidery in some of these squares. You can see this is like a called this is a back stitch. I've done that, and you can see some. I think you can see I had done some kind of shadow work there, but it's not very visible. I was just trying out it. So some sort of applique which is different from that, and there's also some applique there that you can see. I think you can see that. Yeah. So I have some 6, 7, 8 squares to be completed. I thought I'll finish the quilt top and then do some work on it. Then the next step now is that I've not ironed any of this. All these seams needs to be ironed and firmly kept in its place before I attach them. That is a major job here, and they should be they should be done in a particular way so that there is no bulk under the quilt. That is the plan. So yeah, so I hope to show you all that soon. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I can also encourage all of you to make quilts of their own. Yeah.